Gatsby coming to you with a 3-box break from Hit Parade Football 2017 Autograph Jersey Edition. This is Series 5. Boxes 67, 16, and 95. Good luck, everybody. If you haven't checked us out, please do so. We are live 7 nights a week at breakers.tv/Boom City Breaks. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. And we have a Andre Reed Buffalo Bills jersey, custom with a Hall of Fame inscription. That's going out to, who has Buffalo? Gambit. There you go, Gambit. Nice hit, buddy. The Hall of Famer wide receiver, Mr. Andre Reed from the Buffalo Bills. Nice hit, sir. With a Hall of Fame inscription. There is your certification number. That's going to go out to Gambit. Nice hit there, buddy. All right, next box up. Here we go, folks. Good luck. Comes the popping of the seals. And we have a Green Bay Packers sit. Paul Hornung of the Packers. Gambit taking down another one. Paul Hornung of the Green Bay Packers. Hall of Famer 86. Gambit with back-to-back hits. Nice one, buddy. Nice Paul Hornung there for you, pal. That's a custom jersey. But again, comes with a JSA cert. Nice hit there, bud. I'll tell you what, that is definitely one of the better Paul Hornung signatures I've ever seen. Good bold on the pin. That is a good signature for him. I'm telling you right now. I've seen some pretty bad ones from him. That's a good one. Alright, nice hit there again, Gambit. Paul Hornung. Alright, last box, folks. Here we go. Gonna hear the one popper. How about a Tevin Coleman Atlanta Falcons hit? Going out to, who has Atlanta? Gambit with a sweep. The turkey takes it down. Gambit sweeps it, folks. He made a trade for that team. Nice hit there, buddy. Tevin Coleman. Indiana product. Taking it down. Mr. Gambit hitting 3 jerseys back to back to back. Nice job, buddy. He's been buying up a lot of spots, so you can't really be mad at him for that, guys. He's been buying up a lot of spots. Congratulations to Gambit. Nice one, buddy. Alright, guys, that wraps up our 3-boxer. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time from Boom City Breaks.